Lovingly send this to someone on your team whose diagrams are way too complicated. When viewers see too much information at once, clarity is traded for confusion. But with drawio's multi-page feature, you can break down complex workflows into clean, manageable sections, like flipping through the chapters of a book instead of reading one endless scroll. So let's tackle a messy process and clean it up step by step so I can show you exactly how this works. All right, here's our starting point, the master process diagram. Now this may look simple, but imagine that each block, process A, B, and C, contained all the details, including every sub-process and dependency and task. You'd end up with a chaotic mess of shapes and arrows that's impossible to follow, and that is not good for anybody. Step one is creating a process overview page. Instead of cramming all the details into one, you'll create a high-level diagram that shows each workflow, process A, B, and C as simple shapes. Start by adding a new page to your drawio diagram by clicking the plus button at the bottom of the editor. Name the page something that's intuitive for you and your team. I've gone with process overview myself. On this page, create simple shapes, one for each process. For example, process B will be a rectangle labeled process B. Now we have a clean overview of the workflow without the clutter of each individual step. But we are just getting started. Let's focus on process B. Instead of detailing all of its steps on the process overview page, we'll move those details to a separate page. Add another page to your diagram, name it sub-process B. Copy the steps for process B from the process master page and paste them onto the new page. Or alternatively, right-click on the process overview page and click duplicate and create an exact copy of the original. Then you just need to remove the shapes that you no longer need. Now link the process B shape on the process overview page to this new sub-process page. Double-click on the text, then click the link icon in the toolbar, go to Choose Page, and select sub-process B from the drop-down. With this setup, viewers can click on process B on the overview page and jump straight to its detailed steps. On the sub-process B page, all the details are laid out clearly without cluttering the main diagram. But let's actually take it a step further and add a back to overview link to make navigation seamless. And you might be wondering, why do I need to make a link when I can just click the tab button at the bottom of the diagram? But here's why. When you embed this diagram into your Confluence document, your team will be able to navigate between the pages of the diagram directly inside the Confluence page without even opening the diagram editor. This keeps the experience smooth and interactive, especially when you hide the toolbar for a clean app-like feel. So here's how to add the link. Add a text box or shape to the sub-process B page and label it back to overview. Select the shape and click the link icon, but this time you're going to choose the page that brings you back to the overview. Save the link. Now when someone views the diagram in Confluence, they can click the back to overview button and return to the overview instantly, all from within the Confluence document. No need to switch tabs or open the editor. And hiding the toolbar takes this to the next level. Let's make your diagram feel more like an app and less like an embedded file by hiding the toolbar. After embedding the diagram in Confluence, click the setting cog icon. Under the toolbar dropdown, select Hidden. Save the page. Now your diagram looks sleek and professional. Combined with the links we added, this setup helps your team navigate between diagram pages directly in Confluence, so viewers have a seamless experience and are able to focus purely on the diagram itself without distractions from the interface options. All right, so let's recap. With multi-page diagrams, you've turned a cluttered, overwhelming workflow into something clear and intuitive. The process overview page gives you a high-level view of the workflow. Each shape links to a sub-process page like process B, where detailed steps are laid out. Seamless navigation, thanks to links, ensures that viewers can move between pages effortlessly. Whether you're documenting the process, building a flowchart, or managing a team workflow, multi-page diagrams make complex information easy to follow and even easier to collaborate on. What's one complex process or overview you would love to simplify with multi-page diagrams? Drop your ideas in the comment section below. We would love to hear them. And if you haven't tried Drawio already, head over to the Atlassian Marketplace and start your 30-day free trial. It's time to take your diagram and teamwork to the next level. Until next time, stay connected.